New financial technology is transforming how we manage, invest, and access money. From AI-powered budgeting tools to blockchain-based payments, it's making finance faster, more secure, and more accessible for everyone. Stay ahead by exploring the latest FinTech solutions shaping the future of money. Join me as I dive into the world of finance and challenge myself to navigate the latest trends and technologies that are shaping our financial future. The future of finance is no longer a distant dream, it's a reality that's unfolding before our very eyes. Technology is reshaping the financial landscape at an unprecedented pace. It's more important than ever to understand the implications and opportunities that come with it. Traditional finance has long been plagued by issues of accessibility, high fees, and slow transaction times, leaving many behind and excluding them from participating in the global economy. In many parts of the world, people still lack access to basic financial services, exacerbating poverty and economic inequality. These challenges have led to a lack of trust in traditional financial institutions, as people seek alternative solutions that are faster, cheaper, and more convenient. The status quo is no longer acceptable, and it's clear that a radical transformation is needed to address these systemic flaws. The need for financial inclusion has never been more pressing, and it's an issue that affects not just individuals but entire communities and economies. The good news is that technology is providing a way out of this quagmire, offering innovative solutions that are disrupting the traditional financial order. Blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and fintech solutions are revolutionizing the way we think about money and financial services. They're enabling faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions, and opening up new opportunities for people to access financial services that were previously out of reach. In the world of cryptocurrencies, for example, we're seeing the emergence of decentralized finance, or DeFi, which is enabling people to lend, borrow, and invest in a trustless and permissionless manner. This has the potential to democratize access to financial services and create a more level playing field for people from all walks of life. Another area that's gaining traction is digital payments, which are enabling people to make fast and secure transactions online and offline. This is particularly significant in emerging markets, where digital payments are providing a way for people to access financial services for the first time. But what about the success stories? There are countless examples of financial technologies that have already made a significant impact on people's lives. One such example is mobile payments in Africa, which have enabled millions of people to access financial services for the first time. In Kenya, for instance, mobile payments have become an integral part of daily life, with people using their phones to pay for everything from groceries to utility bills. The impact of mobile payments in Africa cannot be overstated. It's enabled people to save time and money, and has provided a way for them to access financial services that were previously out of reach. Revolut, a UK-based fintech startup founded in 2015, began as a prepaid card offering low-cost currency exchange. Over time, it evolved into a comprehensive digital banking platform, providing services such as international money transfers, cryptocurrency trading, stock investments, and budgeting tools. Traditional banking systems were slow, costly, and lacked flexibility. Customers faced high foreign exchange fees, slow international transfers, and limited investment opportunities. Many banking processes relied on physical branches, making access difficult for global users. Revolut leveraged modern technology to disrupt the financial sector. Artificial intelligence and big data analyze spending habits, detect fraud, and provide personalized financial insights. Blockchain technology enables users to buy, sell, and hold digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum within the app. Open banking and API integrations allow seamless transactions and real-time account management. A cloud-based infrastructure eliminates the need for physical branches, reducing operational costs and improving accessibility. Revolut's success highlights how technology is transforming the financial industry. Millions of users worldwide prefer digital-first, user-friendly financial solutions. Traditional banks are now integrating AI, contactless payments, and cryptocurrency services to remain competitive. The rise of fintech companies like Revolut demonstrates that technology is making finance more accessible, cost-effective, and secure. As artificial intelligence, blockchain, and automation continue to evolve, the financial industry will become even more efficient and innovative, reshaping the way people interact with money. PayPal started in the late 1990s as an online payment solution that enabled secure transactions without the need for traditional banking methods. Over time, it became one of the most widely used digital payment platforms, offering fast, secure, and borderless transactions for individuals and businesses. Before PayPal, online payments were complicated, requiring bank transfers or credit card processing with high fees and security risks. Many small businesses and freelancers faced challenges in accepting payments from international clients. Consumers hesitated to share their financial details with unknown websites, leading to trust issues in e-commerce. PayPal transformed digital finance by implementing advanced security protocols, including encryption and fraud detection powered by artificial intelligence. The introduction of digital wallets allowed users to store funds, link multiple payment methods, and complete transactions with a single click. PayPal's integration with e-commerce platforms, including eBay, Amazon, and Shopify, made it easier for businesses to accept payments globally. The platform also introduced peer-to-peer transfers, enabling users to send and receive money instantly. The impact of PayPal on the financial industry has been significant. It set the foundation for modern fintech solutions, inspiring competitors like Stripe, Square, and Apple Pay to develop innovative payment systems. The company's expansion into cryptocurrency, buy now pay later services, and AI-driven financial management tools reflects the ongoing evolution of digital finance. PayPal's success proves that technology is reshaping the financial landscape by making payments faster, safer, and more accessible. The rise of digital transactions and fintech innovation continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in the financial world, driving greater financial inclusion and efficiency. Square, founded in 2009 by Jack Dorsey and Jim McKelvey, started as a simple card reader that allowed small businesses to accept credit card payments using a smartphone. Over time, it evolved into a comprehensive financial ecosystem, offering point-of-sale systems, business loans, payroll services, and digital banking solutions. Before Square, small businesses and independent vendors struggled to accept card payments due to high fees, complex banking requirements, and expensive hardware. Cash-only businesses often lost sales because customers preferred digital transactions. Traditional payment processes were not designed for small-scale entrepreneurs, limiting their financial growth. Square revolutionized financial transactions by introducing an easy-to-use mobile card reader that connected to smartphones, making digital payments accessible to anyone. The platform expanded its services to include online payments, invoicing, and contactless transactions, catering to businesses of all sizes. Square Capital provided small business loans based on transaction history, enabling merchants to grow without the need for traditional credit checks. The introduction of Cash App allowed individuals to send, receive, and invest money seamlessly, further expanding Square's influence in personal finance. Square's impact on the financial industry has been profound. It democratized digital payments, enabling small businesses to compete with larger retailers. The company's innovations inspired other fintech firms to develop user-friendly, mobile-based payment solutions. The shift towards contactless and mobile payments, accelerated by Square, has influenced banking and commerce on a global scale. The success of Square demonstrates how technology can empower businesses and individuals by providing accessible, efficient, and scalable financial solutions. As digital finance continues to evolve, fintech companies like Square are shaping the future of payments, making transactions faster, safer, and more inclusive. As we recap the key innovations that are transforming the financial industry, it's clear that the future of finance is not just about technology, but about creating a more inclusive and equitable financial system. It's also created new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small businesses, which are now able to participate in the global economy. It's about using technology to bridge the gaps and provide access to financial services for all. The future of finance is here now, and it's up to us to embrace these changes and create a more inclusive financial future for all. So, what are your thoughts on the future of finance? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my next video on fintech trends that are changing the game.